What is this strange humming noise heard in some areas of the world? The hum is a low, unexplained sound that few hear and that affects their lives. Sometimes it comes with a blue light in the sky. Gregory Kenditos writes, in some parts of the world, a subtle but persistent sound has been tormenting people for decades. It's not a mosquito, an electrical appliance, or a distant plane. It's a so-called hum, a deep, continuous, almost underground sound as if coming from the bowels of the earth or from some invisible technological machine. The strange thing is that not everyone hears it. Only a small percentage of the population in each area where it's reported, and that is precisely what makes the phenomenon so enigmatic. The first organized reports of the hum were recorded around 1970s in England, in the Bristol area. Thousands of people reported hearing a buzzing sound that prevented them from even falling asleep. There was no source of sound in the environment, no factory, no activity. The same happened in New Zealand, Taos, New Mexico, Canada, Ireland, United States, and dozens of other locations. In each case, local authorities investigated, found nothing, and the phenomenon either continued or disappeared on its own. The scientific community threw up its hands. There was neither an audio recording nor a natural source. Some experts attribute the phenomenon to a kind of auditory sensitivity that some people have to low frequencies. The human ear can detect sounds from about 20 hertz, but some argue that the brain of some people recognizes frequencies below the audible threshold in the form of vibration or internal noise. Others link it to phenomena such as acoustic pressure from underground seismic waves or the interaction of sound waves with the geological structure of the ground. In all cases, however, there is no clear explanation that applies everywhere. Well, what about the cases where the sound was also accompanied by blue lights? Now, on the other hand, there are those who see something darker behind the hum. Military experiments, technological interventions, or communication systems that are being secretly tested. In many areas where the phenomenon is reported, there are military installations or abandoned radars nearby. Conspiracy theories find fertile ground. Some talk about electromagnetic weapons, subconscious sound suppression, or even selective targeting of the population through ultra-low frequencies. And as far-fetched as all this sounds, the fact that no one has given any adequate explanation leaves room for doubt. The strangest thing about the hum is that it's not recorded by microphones. Despite attempts at acoustic recordings in soundproofed rooms and the use of the sensitive equipment, no buzzing has been captured in a way that explains the experience of sufferers. Some scientists conclude that the phenomenon may be due to internal body functions such as pressure in the ears, mild auditory dysfunction, or even hypersensitivity to the environment. An exhausting daily life combined with stress can cause the brain to create sounds that do not exist in reality. And yet, for those who experience it, the buzzing is real, the hum is real. It often affects their quality of life, causing insomnia, irritation, and a sense of isolation. The fact that most people around them do not hear anything intensifies the feeling that something is wrong, either with themselves or with the world. The hum remains one of the most enigmatic modern phenomena, not loud enough to record, but persistent enough not to let you forget it exists. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.